Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade and it's nice of you to join us. Now before we get started, of course, we have to sing our good morning song. So I really would like if you could sing the good morning song with me, okay? So let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of you that are watching. Now, let's say the days of the week. Do you know what day it is today? Well, yesterday was Monday. So what comes after Monday? It's the day that starts with the letter T. Well, one of the days that starts with the letter T. If you guess Tuesday, you're exactly right. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. All day long, all day long. Yesterday was Monday. Now today is Tuesday. Great job, everyone. It's a lovely Tuesday. Now, before we find out what kind of weather we are having today, we need to sing our weather song. So can you sing the weather song with me? All right, let's go. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can go and look outside our windows and see what kind of weather you are having today. Well, where I am, it's a cloudy day, and we all know what that means, right? There might be some clouds blocking the... So it's time for our color of the day. And our color of the day today is the color yellow. Yellow. Yellow is our color of the day. And yellow starts with the letter Y. Yellow. Now let's talk about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day is a square. A square. A square has two short sides and two long sides. Take a look. Now our letter for the day is the letter Z. We made it to the end of the alphabet, everyone. Z is our last letter. Now we don't have an area of the day for today because I don't know of any area that starts with the letter Z in Trinidad and Tobago, but there's somewhere nice that we all can visit very soon once they open. It's the Emperor Valley Zoo. Have you ever been to the Emperor Valley Zoo? Well, there are lots of animals that you can see. Some of the animals are animals that come from Trinidad and Tobago, that are native to Trinidad and Tobago, like the ocelot, and there are some that are from other countries far, far away, like the tigers and the giraffes with their long necks. And in the Emperor Valley Zoo, you can take a look at lots of the animals. There are birds, fishes, reptiles, which are animals that are scaly, like an alligator or a snake. and you are able to pet some of them. Alright, like the giraffe, you can feed the giraffe, or you can pet the pony at the zoo. So I hope you can visit the zoo very soon. Now it's time for our number of the day. And our number of the day today is the number 3. Can you put up 3 fingers? 3 is our number of the day. Can we clap and count 3 times? Let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Great job, everyone. We count to 3. Now it's our activity time. Now today we have an activity that we are going to be using with colors. It's a domino game. Now if you have palette sticks at home, we are going to be using the palette sticks and using your paint or whatever you have to make your palette sticks colorful at the end to make your dominoes. So I hope you enjoyed today's activity and get ready to join me for craft time. We have a sequencing video for you today, and this time we are sequencing using colors. So I hope you enjoy today's video, and remember you have to pay careful attention so you know what comes next. Now let's do our sequencing. So I need you to pay careful attention and try and see if you can guess what is next. Are you ready? Let's go. First, we have blue. Blue. After blue comes the color yellow. Yellow. After yellow comes purple. Purple. And after purple comes the color black. Black. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Blue. Blue. After yellow comes purple. What comes next? Did you guess? It's black. Black comes next in our sequence. You want to try again? Let's go. Blue. Blue. After blue comes yellow. Yellow. After yellow comes what? And after that comes black. Black. What do you think is missing? Did you guess? It's the color purple. Purple is next in our sequence. Great job, everyone. Give yourselves a clap. That was really good. Thanks so much for joining us, everyone. I hope you enjoyed doing your domino palette sticks and your sequencing video. I hope to see you again tomorrow. And remember to like, subscribe, and share, alright? I'll see you. Bye.